Do you want to talk to ChatGPT using voice on your PC? You can actually access Advanced Voice Mode pretty easily, and I'll show you how. First, open your browser and go to ChatGPT. Log into your account. Once you're in, open any chat. Look near the message box for the voice icon, which is next to the microphone icon, or you can just simply press Ctrl Alt V. Click the voice icon, click continue, and you can select which voice the AI should have. For my own preference, I picked Arbor. Next, allow microphone access when your browser asks for permission. If you don't see the voice option, go into settings and check if voice features are available or enabled on your account. After that, just start speaking. ChatGPT will listen and respond back, giving you a more natural back and forth experience. For example here, I asked ChatGPT what is the capital of Thailand, and it responded immediately. You can also tweak things like input device or volume in your system sound settings for better clarity. If you're using a phone, the steps are basically the same. You just tap the same icon in the app instead. And that's it. You're now using ChatGPT voice mode on PC. Once you try it, it feels way more interactive. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.